Hey guys! Thanks for coming to check out another wig review. So today's wig review is from Ywigs. Thank you so much, Ywigs, for sending over this unit. This is a really adorable, perfect, ready for the summer, for the beach, for the pool, short cropped headband wig. This wig is the 8-inch wig in Mary Afro Kinky Curly. It's a human hair wig and it's literally going for $100. You literally can't beat it. Don't be scared when you pull the wig out. It's definitely short and super curly, but it's so cute once you get the curls tamed, moisturized, and laying where you want them. If you like the unit that I was wearing at the beginning of this, you can definitely click the link up above or in the description box to check out that review, but make sure you finish watching this one first. So I did tuck half of the headband underneath the wig because I didn't want too much of the headband showing. I definitely started like plucking out the curls with my fingers, and then I went in with my water bottle. It's literally just a regular bottle of water, and I drenched down the wig with water. After that, I went in with my Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla leave-in conditioner. This is my favorite leave-in conditioner to use when I am defining curls on my curly wigs. And I definitely go ham with it. I use a lot of water and I use a lot of leave-in conditioner to get the curls really hydrated and ready to be set using mousse. So I make sure to do a really good job of working that product through, finger combing, getting the curls nice and detangled and nicely separated and fluffed out, and making sure each curl is hydrated with both water and leave-in conditioner. Then we move on to my favorite step. You're going to grab your GLEEmade styling mousse. This is perfect for defining curls and just making them really, really pop. This is available on my website. It is GLEEmade.com, and you can check out where it says hairstyling products, and the mousse will be right there. Now, you don't want to hold back on this. You want to literally like use a lot. You're not going to skimp on this because this is the product that's going to define your curls and make them last for several days. So the way this product works is you put it on the hair, you make sure you work it through every strand, let it air dry. The mousse helps the hair to air dry more quickly than if you didn't use it. It also helps the curls to be super duper defined. Once the mousse dries, the initial dry will be sort of like a set. So it will set the curls kind of firmly. So the curls won't be crunchy, but they also won't be like super soft yet. But you need this to set the curls so that you don't have to go through this process every single day. You can go through this process every 3 days and your curls will literally be beautifully set without you having to mess with them for 3 days. So the first day, they will be definitely locked into place. And then the next day, they'll soften. And then the next day, they'll fluff up and be really full and fluffy. And then by that time, it'll be time for you to wash, condition, do your leave-in conditioner again, and do your mousse again and reset your curls. So this is kind of a process that I do with my curly hair about every 3 to 4 days or so. So you want to make sure that you've set the hair in place for it to dry where you want it to dry. And yeah, this is how it's looking. And again, the mousse is going to help it to dry quickly and to give it that really beautifully set look. So yeah, just stay tuned to see how the headbands look. So this is the end result. Absolutely love it. This wig is so, so beautiful. It was a little scary coming out of the box, I'm not going to lie. But I love the end result on this unit. Super pretty. I'll leave links down below to where you can grab this unit. Super affordable. Shipping was fast and customer service is great. Definitely love me some Ywigs. I've been working with them for years. So yeah, remember how this unit looks when it first came out of the box. Still cute, but definitely loving this look now. And yeah, let's pop these headbands on and see what we're working with. Super duper cute, loving these. If you guys want to know more, click the links down below. Thanks for watching.